The main advantages of this procedure are that the gel selectively adsorbs arsenic from groundwater at higher arsenic concentrations than the other techniques, and the gel can be regenerated. Demonstration of this method is critical because the preparation of the gel and the adsorption experiments need to be visualized to replicate the experiments.
Arsenic is found in the groundwater of more than 21 countries. The implication of this technique can be extended towards the challenge of removing arsenic from contaminated water. This method can also be applied to the treatment of industrial effluent contaminated with arsenic.
When trying this technique for the first time, follow the precautions strictly at all times. The formation of the gel block may be challenging if the solutions are not mixed properly and proportionately.
Dry 2 20 milliliter measuring flasks and 2 20 milliliter beakers equipped with magnetic stir bars. Transfer 4.13 grams of DMAPAAQ, 0.31 grams of N N-dimethylamino bisacrylamide, 0.5 grams of sodium sulfite, and 3.36 grams of sodium hydroxide to one 20 milliliter beaker. Dissolve the solution wholly in distilled water as solvent, stirring it for 30 minutes with a magnetic stir bar. Transfer the mixture from the beaker to one 20 milliliter measuring flask and add distilled water to generate a 20 milliliter solution. Label the solution as the monomer solution. Similarly, take 0.54 grams of ammonium peroxodisulfate and 7.57 grams of iron